this tech run that we've been on ever since the DeepSeek kind of announcement around the advancements that they've made in artificial intelligence. And this has really kind of been the big driver for us. Technology is up significantly, and the Hang Seng Index over just in year to date is up over 20%, and in the last 12 months up 40%. So these have been really kind of the driving forces that have really been kind of pushing our markets forward at this point.
What led to your record quarterly numbers?
It's really kind of a number of forces all kind of coming together and coalescing right at the same time. So you always need to have positive sentiment, and I think we've started to see that happen in the market. And this started towards the end of September last year with a lot of stimulus programs that were announced by the governments, both in mainland China and in Hong Kong. And then you kind of fast forward into this year, and we've seen the DeepSeek kind of revolution happening that's really kind of put an emphasis behind China technology and AI as well. And as part of that, I think the product ecosystems that we've been developing over the last several years, from stock options to ETFs, levered and inverse ETFs, and structured products have all kind of come together to really kind of boost this market as the momentum swings in the right direction.
How are your new weekly products going?
We've been rolling out the weekly index and stock options, and this is really to kind of follow in this mega trend towards shorter date option trading within the market. And we launched the weekly HS Tech index options in September of last year, weekly stock options on 10 of our more liquid stock options in November. We've seen really a good uptake in the HS Tech weekly options to date. The weekly stock options has been one of our most successful derivative launches ever, and this is even kind of comparing it to the launch of our HS Tech futures and options platform. So right now we've launched the 10 weekly stock options since the beginning of November. Today they're accounting for almost 10% of our overall just stock option volume that we're experiencing. This year we're trading about over 100,000 of those contracts, whereas the stock option market is trading about 1 million contracts. So a really good uptake in the weekly options, and we'll look to continue to expand our weekly stock option platform this year, and then also look to bring out possibly zero-dated index options in early part of next year.
What is the purpose of your collaboration with the Hong Kong Monetary Authority?
This was a significant milestone. I mean, just last week we signed an MOU with the HKMA to really look at ways that we can create synergies within the clearing system within the Hong Kong market. And I think this is going to be good for the market. This is be the first time that within Asia there is a local or regional player that is developing an ICSD platform to really help and centralize the clearing and settlement of securities, in particular fixed income. And I think this is an area that is a strategic pillar for us, and with significant strategic opportunities. And we want to be able to work with HKMA to be able to make the clearing and settlement more efficient and do what we've done for equities, but now in the fixed income space.
How has the announcement of DeepSeek AI affected the markets?
When DeepSeek made the announcement, I think it created a lot of awareness around the significance of the China AI and technology revolution that is going on, because they've been able to create something that is highly effective but at a significantly lower investment cost than what we've seen in other areas of the market that are also doing similar for AI. So with that, really has really served as a catalyst in this latest upward movements that we've been seeing in the markets, and it really has been driving the performance of the Hang Seng Index, and then also the excitement that we're seeing in the market. And we're seeing a lot more flows coming in from the US and Europe into the Hong Kong market.